Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Apple gift card on Clash Royale. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Clash Royale application, which of course I have done right here. Now, where can you find Clash Royale? You can get it on Apple Play Store, Apple Store, or Google Play Store. To launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Clash Royale and follow through with the on-screen instructions to download and install. After downloading and installing, it's going to take you right into the application where you're going to be required to pass through the first phase of a tournament that's going to be presented to you. Once you're done with that phase, it's going to take you right into the home screen where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting gaming experience in Clash Royale. So now that we know, let's quickly hop into today's stats, and that is how to use Apple gift card on Clash Royale. I'd like you to check the bottom corner of your screen, bottom left corner of your screen precisely, and click on the first icon you find there. That's where you have that chest of gold. Click on that, and this is the shop. This is Clash Royale shop. You have offers that you can explore. You have the Royal Starter Pack, which ends in 6 days, 11 hours. And you have this get in now option, just a lot of things. And you even have the markets as like daily deals. You can get nights, you can even buy gold. Here's the king chest arena one, and buy diamonds. You have cosmetics, you have emotes, you have currency, you have gems, you have gold, you have creator boosts, just a lot of things that you can buy. So let's say I want to buy this 750. I'm gonna get this currency, this Royal Starter Pack. So just click on that, and in Nigerian naira it is for 3,400. So now you have the special offer, and you have this option that says add a payment method to your Google account to complete your purchase, and your payment information is only visible to Google. So go ahead and click on that option. Oh my, don't leave me. Click on this option that says add credit or debit card. So click on that. Now this is very sensitive, so in here you're gonna have this card number option. That's why it's blank, because it's sensitive. So where you're gonna see this card number category. So in the card number, go ahead and enter your Apple gift card number, and sure it is your Apple gift card number that you're adding here. So once you add your Apple gift card number, it's going to take you to the next step. All right, maybe you can require to add your CVV or other details regarding your card. Once you add that and you've added your Apple gift card details, that's just it. You'll be able to make payment from there. Your Apple gift card is going to be deducted, and you will get your special offer that you ordered. So that's pretty much how to use Apple gift card on Clash Royale. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.